Hey everybody, my name is Gabriel Iglesias. That's Gabriel Iglesias if you have an accent. And we are coming to you here from Long Beach, California. And this is my compound or my fluffy Volkswagen car museum. That's where we're hanging out right now. I started collecting cars about 7 years ago, and it was basically Jay Leno's idea. He told me invest in something that you can enjoy, and I enjoy the cars. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. My favorite movie that I could watch over and over and over again is probably Back to the Future. It's a classic, and it still resonates now, and it still looks cool now. It's just one of those movies, and if you haven't seen it, you need to see it. It's a must. Well, the plan was actually to be a teacher. Whether or not I would have been a good teacher, who knows? But fortunately, comedy worked out for me. My favorite place to joyride is, first of all, it has to be at night because traffic here in LA is a thing. And so I'd like to just jump in the car and take a drive, usually to a drive-through. Preferably to get a coffee or just something quick to eat. I like to take the dogs, put my dogs in the car, and we just drive around. And I crank the radio and drink some coffee, and let's see where we go.